Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiffany's Epiphany. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute personalized 2026 fridge calendar. These make amazing gifts for Christmas, and honestly, they're so simple, anyone can do them. Let's get started. Here's what I'm using today. Glossy cardstock for the calendar print, magnetic sheets for the back, clear sticker paper to laminate the front, my Cricut cutting board to trim the edges, and Epson Photo Plus to edit and add the calendar overlay. You can use whatever photo editing software you like, but for this video, that's what I will be using. I start in Epson Photo Plus. I bring in my photo and make it slightly transparent. That helps the calendar overlay pop and keeps everything readable. Then I import my 2026 calendar overlay, size it, and line it up exactly where I want it. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, transparency until you're happy with the final look. Once it looks good, I send it to my printer. Make sure your printer knows that you're using glossy cardstock and set the quality to high for a clean, sharp print. After it's printed, I place a sheet of clear sticker paper right over top to laminate it. This gives it that glossy, protective finish without needing a laminator. Then I trim all the edges with my Cricut cutting board so there's no white around the photo. Next, I size and cut my magnetic sheet so it fits the back of the calendar perfectly. Then I stick it on, and that's it. You now have a personalized 2026 fridge calendar. I also wanted to show you the last one I made. For that one, I used my laminator instead of clear sticker paper, and instead of covering the full back with magnet, I did two small magnetic strips, one on the top and one on the bottom. It did stay on the fridge, but the corners lifted a little bit, and that's why I switched to the full back magnetic sheet with clear sticker paper this time. This method just looks clearer and lays nicely. Let me know in the comments, do you like the laminated version with magnetic strips or the full magnet back with clear sticker paper? I'm curious to see what you prefer. If you enjoyed this little DIY, feel free to tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. And as always, happy crafting.